I'm Tyler McLaren, the manager for Transportable Shade Sheds, and Ganesh has come down here today to talk to us about the rebuilding the schools in Fiji through the Reach for Your Future Foundation. We'd really like to be a part of this campaign, and we're urging all other organisations and businesses to jump on board and help these guys out. Thanks very much.
When we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one, there are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family. And the truth, you know, love is all we need.